Feel free to move or correct any discomfort as this meditation continues. Using positive affirmations will give you the chance to reprogram your subconscious with thoughts that are more beneficial to you. And some people say that a heart brimming with gratitude brings one closer to his or her higher self.
Whatever I do, it always ends in amassing wealth. I attract prosperity. Money flows freely and abundantly into my life. I will be productive and prosperous today. My prosperity is unlimited. My success is unlimited now. I always have whatever I need. Perfect abundance is my chosen reality. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. Every day in every way, my wealth is increasing. I am destined to find prosperity in everything I do. I am gracious for the wealth I have in my life. I am free to do whatever I wish to do. Today is filled with opportunity, and I will seize it. Being wealthy gives me joy, happiness, and peace of mind. I am now free to do the things I love. Everything good is coming to me easily and effortlessly. Thank you, universe, for my great abundance. Feeling joyful attracts abundance. I allow all good things to come into my life, and I enjoy them. Wealth is a positive expression of divine energy. I can easily imagine myself having limitless abundance. Money always flows to me easily. I realize that I can help others with my wealth, so I stay wealthy. I am prosperous in everything I do. I am thankful for the abundance and prosperity in my life. Abundance around me, abundance within me, abundance throughout me. All my needs are met instantaneously.